Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Once again, the drama continues in stock market. Market open, immediately came under selling pressure. Nifty broke 23,000. Then came the short covering rally. Nifty shot up more than 200 points. When 23,200 is crossed, people thought now the markets will stabilize. But as usual, late afternoon after 1:30, the market came under a severe selling pressure. Usually that is when the FIIs come into the market. Either FIIs come in the first few minutes of the market opening or they come around 1:30 or 2 o'clock like that, right? So today market has fallen for 7th consecutive trading sessions, for 7 days of straight fall. If I'm not wrong, this has happened only during the first week of October. The first week of October, market fell continuously, but that was understandable because the markets were at an all-time high. But now markets, they're already 10-12% down from all-time high. And global markets are doing extremely well. Even today also, most of the global markets were trading in green. And now we are falling for 7 consecutive trading sessions at this lower level is totally disappointing. On a close-to-close basis, though Nifty, is down slightly, but the disappointment came from many fronts. And number one, there was some good news about Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank hit 52-week high. And despite Kotak Bank outperformance, the Bank Nifty has turned to red. The PSU Bank Index has gone to red. Even the private sector banks. So when Kotak Bank goes up, all other banks come down. So somehow in the morning, IT index was very much down, then recovered. But end of the day, once again, the IT index is down. Usually in a falling market, IT index and FMCG index, Pharma index used to do well. But now this time, so they are contributing even worst. However, there are some good news. Number one, Nifty managed to close above 23,000. That is one positive. Second positive, the broader markets has done better than Nifty. I think mid cap, small cap, next 50, they all ended slightly in green. So the Nifty slightly ended in red. And number three, though the intraday spike was very high, on a close-to-close basis, Nifty did not fall much. And the fourth one, the India VIX did not rise too much. So these are all considered to be positive, but at the same time, the hope of higher side movement is very, very little now. Now, technical indicators, I already spoke today morning. 23,300 is going to be a resistance. So today Nifty took out to 23,200 but could not go to 23,300. So why? The reason 23,300, there is a 50% Fibonacci retracement of the recent fall, post-budget fall. The post-budget fall from 23,800 to 22,800, 50% of that retracement around 23,300. So first the Nifty has to take out 23,300, then only we can expect some positive move. Until then, any intraday spike of 100, 200 point, it is time to sell a call option. Of course, you can sell call options far out of the money or 1 month, 2 months away, because all the important events are over. So until the next corporate results, they'll be coming in July. So I think our markets is going to be like this only. So now a big question comes. Today FIIs seller again, once again. Why these FIIs are selling every day, right? No matter what happens, no matter what is the good news, the FIIs keep on selling. So that means that, do FIIs have some message for the government? Or is there any behind the curtain discussion is going on between the government and FII. So probably the FIIs are not happy with the government initiative. So what can be the reason? Reason can be only the STT increase and a long-term capital gain tax increase, short-term capital gain tax increase, and a few other things. So they must be related to stock market. Unless that gets sorted out, right? This FIIs is not going to stop selling, and the domestic institutions, how much they can support the market, or how much more money the domestic retail investors will keep pumping into the market, having the continuous faith in the market. So that's a very big question. So anyway, my view remains the same, 23,000 to 23,300. So that's what today also I said. That's where Nifty closed. But looking at the open interest, monthly options, and people are selling 23,500 and 24,000 call options aggressively, but still premiums are very good, right? Even the 24,000 call option, I think today morning I sold around 30 rupees, right? I think closing around 22, 23 rupees, something like that. So even the 23,800 call, it was trading around 50 rupees in the morning, right? So 23,500, 23,800, 24,000, there are a lot of resistances on the way up. At the downside, I think the downside, it's going to be very difficult. So the Nifty has already made a double bottom at 23,800, right? So one more time, if Nifty goes towards 22,800, that's very, very dangerous, right? Technically, we only have a double bottom. There is no triple bottom or four bottom. So if it goes there, if the 22,800 is broken on the downside, so the downside is open to 22,500. The 22,500 is a 50% Fibonacci retracement of the entire rise from 19,000 to 26,000 since 2023 October to this September, 24 September, right? So anyway, the one disturbing factor is that when there is some good news, the market should go up. But what happens, every good news market goes up and then uniformly sold into. The first 60,000 crore OMO, then budget, then RBI policy, then increase in the OMO. Now the Kotak Bank good news, right? Everything is getting sold into. So that is something really very bad, very, very bad. Even the IT index is falling, is also looking very, very bad. So let us see. Today the weekly expiry is over. So we will see tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.